Forming adjectives and nouns with affixes. Hello there, word wizards. Did you know that words are like building blocks? Today we'll learn how prefixes and suffixes, tiny word tools, build amazing words like nouns and adjectives. Every word has a root word, its central meaning. Words are like trees. Their roots, root words, hold the main meaning. Look at the word happiness. What could be its root word? Discuss with your class. Here's another example. Imagine the root sun. These are some words that grow from the same root. Sunflower, sundress, sunroom, sunny, suntan, sun. What are affixes? Long ago, people in ancient places like Rome used word parts to make new words and give them extra meanings. These parts can be added to the beginning and end of words, and are called affixes. What are affixes? Affixes are found in ancient languages like Greek or Latin. In Latin, the affixer was used to indicate repetition, as seen in the word relook, meaning to look again. Micro is a Greek affix. Can you guess what it means? Root words grow by adding the following affixes. 1. Prefixes. Word parts that are added to the beginning of words. 2. Suffixes. Word parts that are added to the end of words. Building nouns with affixes. Forming nouns with affixes involves adding specific word parts to existing words to create new words. For example, adding ness to kind transforms it into kindness, emphasizing the quality of being considerate. Recap. A noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. Building nouns with prefixes. Super means above. Anti means against. Auto means self. With a partner, try to think of examples of words that start with these prefixes. Building nouns with prefixes. Super means above. Superstar, superhuman. Anti means against. Antihero, antibiotics. Auto means self. Automatic, autograph. Building nouns with suffixes. Iron denotes action or condition. Ian, a person associated with a place, activity, or characteristic. With a partner, try to think of examples of words that end with these suffixes. Building nouns with suffixes. The spelling sometimes changes when we add a suffix to form a new word. Usually, the last letter is dropped, like E in this instance. Iron denotes action or condition. Confuse plus iron equals confusion. Fuse plus iron equals fusion. Ian, a person associated with a place, activity, or characteristic. Magic plus Ian equals magician. Mathematics plus Ian equals mathematician. Noun challenge. Observe the following words below. What nouns can you form from the affixes iron, super, anti, and auto? 1. Power. 2. Connect. 3. Mobile. 4. Climax. Answer key. Noun challenge. Did you get these right? 1. Power. Superpower. 2. Connect. Connection. 3. Mobile. Automobile. 4. Climax. Anticlimax. Recap. An adjective is a word that describes a noun by adding more information about it. Building adjectives with affixes. Forming adjectives with affixes involves adding specific word parts to existing words to create new words. For example, adding un before happy results in unhappy, conveying the opposite meaning. Building adjectives with prefixes. Pre indicates something occurring before. Over, too much or excessive. With a partner, try to think of examples of words that start with these suffixes. Building adjectives with prefixes. Pre indicates something occurring before. Prehistoric, precaution. Over, too much or excessive. Overconfident, overestimate. Building adjectives with suffixes. Us, full of, in abundance. Seal, having the characteristics of a particular action, process, or quality. With a partner, try to think of examples of words that end with these suffixes. Building adjectives with suffixes. Us, full of, in abundance. Poisonous, delicious. Seal, having the characteristics of a particular action, process, or quality. Official, beneficial. Adjective challenge. In your notebook, list down as many adjectives you can that end in the suffix us. Class challenge. Here are some examples. Joyous, famous, various, serious, enormous, religious, suspicious, continuous, infamous, rigorous. How many did you get? Remember, prefixes are found at the beginning of words and suffixes are found at the end. Adding prefixes and suffixes to existing words helps us create nouns and adjectives. Parting assignment. Fill in the chart by adding affixes to the base word to create new words. With the help of a dictionary, write down the meanings of the new words in the last column. Base word. Construct. Connect. Achieve. Understand. Affix. Resulting word. Meaning. Base word. Construct. Suffix. Iron. Construction. Ive. Constructive. Prefix. Reconstruct. Deconstruct. Base word. Connect. Prefixes. Disconnect. Reconnect. Interconnect. Suffixes. Iron. Connection. Connected. Base word. Achieve. Suffixes. Meant. Achievement. Able. Achievable. Plus able. Unachievable. Achiever. Base word. Understand. Prefix. Misunderstand. Suffixes. Able. Understandable. Understanding. Happy learning. Great job. Thank you for watching.